I can push territory assignments directly from BoogieBoard into Salesforce. I just finished designing territories for my 6 enterprise sales territories. I can simply click a button and push this into Salesforce. But before I do that, let's check out the configuration that we set up. I've got a few options. We're going to do this by following a single account through the journey, the waste management account. This current account owner, if I'm looking at the data from Salesforce, is Tyler Thompson. We're going to change that and assign it to the territory that LeBron James is the owner of. So we're going to assign it to both that territory and to LeBron James. If I look at the account in Salesforce, I can see that Tyler is the current owner. I just want to push this account ownership change to make LeBron James the account owner. So I click my push to Salesforce option. I make sure that I'm selecting the correct territories and the right scenario to merge into my active scenario. Then BoogieBoard is going to do some pre-flight assessments for me, going to run some controls and let you know, hey, here are all of the things that you're changing if you push this into Salesforce right now. I've already reviewed these, so I'm going to push to Salesforce. My update is complete, and if I go check Salesforce, I can now see that LeBron James is the account owner. Option 1 is this simple. I'm just writing the account owner field on an account record. Option 2 is to push the BoogieBoard custom object directly into Salesforce. So remember, this is the waste management account. We took the account owner from Tyler Thompson and assigned LeBron James, but we did more than that. We assigned the account to a territory, this territory here. LeBron James is associated with that territory, as are these other folks, these other roles and users on our team. So when we push the BoogieBoard custom object directly into Salesforce, it's going to come with a bunch of different information that we can use directly or via flows to help us manage our territories. It's going to have the entire team here. It's going to have the territory model, which account data were used, and a handy modal lightning component if our team needs to take some actions there. Option 2, and this one is always on and available, is the BoogieBoard custom object. Option 3 is that I can write any of the information associated with this territory or its users into custom objects or custom fields. Let's take Roger Federer, for example. I've added him as the business development representative on the account. Now, we've already shown you that in the BoogieBoard object, I have a team component. So he's already in there. But maybe I have a custom field on my account that says BDR, and I want to write Roger as his user ID directly to that account, which is what BoogieBoard did here. This is also commonly used if you have a field for account executives, solutions consultants, maybe a territory name, or anything else custom that you want to put directly on the record. Option 4 is to push directly to Salesforce's native territories object, including the territory team. This will mirror your model into Salesforce's native enterprise territory management with reps included. You use it when you rely on Salesforce's native ETM forecasting and reports. So you can see I've got my whole team set up here. I've got my territory name. It's actually going to be creating a territory model in the territory 2 object with some assigned territories, users in assigned territories. I could even populate the included account team if I wanted to. The last option is to utilize BoogieBoard's API or MCP. This allows you to get the full model, account assignments, etc., for whatever purpose it is that you need. Now that I've set up my options and I've decided which of them I want to use in concert, I can push the territories live into Salesforce. BoogieBoard's going to set up all of these pre-flight controls so that I make sure I'm pushing in a controlled and checked manner. I can run a pre-flight assessment to see what's changing. I can run this at the territory level. I can push a whole team at the same time if I want to. I'm likely going to be behaving more granularly, running these checks and merging my drafted scenarios into the active scenario that we have running in Salesforce.